So I'm seeing people arguing with international law and arguing that international law is not for every country. No, international law is for every country, and that is a really, really dangerous argument, and I'm going to tell you why. Because indigenous peoples and small islands and the global south know that the only time that they have been able to pressure another wealthy superpower into doing anything like getting rid of apartheid is through international community. And I'm not saying that the UN is a great agent. I'm not saying it's fit for purpose. We are seeing the flaws. We are seeing the flaws. I boycotted Azerbaijan climate change conference because indigenous people still didn't have a seat at the table. I boycotted Brazil for that reason, the indigenous COP. And what happened? There was a huge protest and indigenous peoples were upset. And yeah, you know, it's not ideal. However, it is the only donkey getting us there. It is the only donkey that has all the parties at the table. Well, not all, as we just talked about. Most of the parties at the table. And until we can find another donkey like that or build another donkey like that, and we're working on it and all these kind of things, and don't say too many things, Caroline, but you're not safe. None of us are safe. There's not even a scrap of anything trying to put things in place for us to be safe as small islanders, as indigenous peoples, as the global south. If you smash international law, it is an overt return, and because it never disappeared, an overt return to colonialism. Understand that. Peace.